sometimes it does. Is it not? Oh, yeah, James. Oh, cool. That was Margot's shot. You want to take some?
I do in a minute. I'm like, I don't feel ready. Last time I came here in February, I gave myself like a
beanie shooting gun.
You just missed my beautiful target. I just hit a can.
Oh really?
Nick, last time I came, I gave myself
Do we have more? Yeah.
anxiety over guns.
There is so much snow out here. I literally can't even see like where I'm going. So I hope I just end up at the right house. Otherwise, I'll just stay at somebody else's house, I reckon. Man, oh man. I've never seen so much snow in my life. I realized I was in the middle of the road. Can't even see the road. There's somebody behind me. This is my view. I honestly don't even know if I'm going the right way, so. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is. Never mind. Whoa! Good thing I got off the road. There's a car coming. That's where I came from. Whew! Sheesh.
Oh my God.
Come on. Oh yeah, easy money.
Easy money.
Alright, where's your house?
It seems as though Texans don't handle snow as well as Kansians.
No.
Philomena,
Kansan here, I
what do
wouldn't
you
test
say? What do you say of this phenomenon?
Number one, get a coat. If you want get a coat.
I don't have a coat.
I have gloves and boots, unlike her.
I know, I have no boots, I have no coat, and then if you turn on
I have no gloves.
the next street,
No gloves.
yeah, turn
You wear your
left
ring?
on the
So
next
maple?
street. Yeah.
You might lose it.
Or no.
Or nor. Alright guys.
Unless it's
See how this
not
goes.
like cloud at all.
Sam?
If you
Nice
can't,
knowing you, buddy. Pray for me if we die. I die. I can't see anything. Oh yeah.
And then at the next street, you can turn right, and it'll be the house on the corner.
Agnes, I talk a lot of mess about Kansans, but when it comes to snow, I think y'all know what y'all are doing.
Yeah.
This one here?
Yeah, I can run
Huh?
Huh?
Really? Well, you should have seen. You should have seen San Antonio when we got half an inch of snow. The whole place shut down for a week. Or actually, it was 2 weeks.
Okay, I'm gonna run it really quick.
Perfect.
Woo! Too much snow, everybody. I don't like it. This is not cool.
It's because you don't know how deep it is and then you trip.
Yeah. Mario, this is Kansas,
This is Canada.
not Canada.
Beautiful.
Alrighty, going down, sliding down 2nd Street, mates. After I put my shoes up. Whew, sheesh, keep falling. This is what you call a unique experience here with all this weather here. Oh, they blocked it off. Well, they think we're not going to just go around the blocking. Insane in the membrane. They can't stop us. What's the strategy, Agnes?
I don't know, we're just gonna scooch. And if
Gotta-
I can't see,
Gotta compact the snow.
we're trying to. My leg, oh, there you go, Philomena.
Oh man, Hey, Margot. I'll do that. Just record a few minutes and then.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try to help Agnes compact this lane here.
There goes Sam. You're not going. I don't know.
Here.
I'm dumb.
That's okay. It's hard being it's hard holding a camera.
Yeah. All right, let's see it. Got the tinnies on. That's attractive. Oh no, Agnes! No, this is what you call showmanship. There you go, Phil. Here. That's James.
I think that's James's.
He never left that.
Agnes, how are you feeling?
Worn out already. That was a lot of effort.
The plastic bag between my toes I don't think is helping.
I was gonna say I've tried that already before.
It's hard to do, guys.
Not today.
I know. I'm about to give up.
If only we were super light. Then we were just.
Is that really how it works?
Give it a try, Phil.
Did that thing just snap?
It broke.
It did? That was quick.
It's okay though.
It's beautiful. There comes Sebastian.
Yeah, mine's only on 16. Wow. Billy, do you want to try PPC? Okay. Aggie, do you want to try?
Really wrong. What? Bro, they're gonna be so jealous of our hill.
So jealous of it.
Block this off. Can't want to try this. Now just dump water on top of it so it's all
Actually,
icy.
yeah, that would be better to have filled with.
Oh, heck yeah.
Boys!
We'll get him on the ramp. Oh, he wiped out right before the ramp.
There you go, Samuel.
All right, Tony, give that big boy a push. Oh, all right, you got it. Get that ramp.
Ape mocking it. Yay! I can't stop it.
Come on, Margot.
Hold on.
Push, 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 push.
Oh, that was such a fail.
Epic.
They have snowboards now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Might try one. He's off the path. It's funny. Yeah. Later. How are we feeling, everybody?
Like this. So good. I know.
So good.
Feels like I'm dying.
Really? Well, don't die.
From frostbite.
Only 2%.
Tony?
Get that out of my face, dude.
I keep missing your nose. I can't see. No, don't do that, bro. It's already got frostbite.
We all have something frostbite.
Only 2% of
Margaret's frostbite feet and hands, actually.
Hey, it's
I have a
frostbite.
frostbite face.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Frostbited face. Don't touch me. Sam has a frostbite knee.
I don't know where you're gonna go with that after that pause.
I didn't know where I was going with that.
Sam, do you have meat?
Melody did a great run on the
What do
snowboard.
you mean?
I want hamburger.
Oh, I don't know if we have hamburgers left
And
over.
a burger sounds great.
Is Fourth and Elm open?
That'd be cool.
Yeah. Oh, you think we can make it to 4th and Elm?
Hell yeah, we could.
I'd be down to go to 4th and Elm.
Walk.
That's a
We've already been
long
on here a
walk,
long
guys.
time.
On your back leg. Let's go.
I know.
Miserably
Just barely creeping. Nah.
You know, I thought it'd be a lot faster than that. The bigger one would be super fast.
Maybe we're just bad.
What's up, Samuel? Hey, you look all snowy, dude.
Cheers. You gonna get us a running start, Margo? That is not the running start. It's like a snail's pace. And she veered off the course. You bringing back my chariot, Philomena?
We did it.
She's not really good at this game, but she wants to restart, so we'll give her another go at it, eh? Margo quads coming up with a head first. Go for it, Margo. Kick off a bit, eh? Nice. Not nice at all, just stalemating. This is not going to look good on the judges' scorecards. And a snail's pace. At least you didn't fall off like I did.
Aw. Sad day.
Oh yeah, that's the way. Here we go. Nice and slow. Up.
Stand up, stand up.
Oh, all right. Get up and try again.
Alright, in the meantime, get out of the way.
Okay, we got this.
Nice and slow. Put your weight on the back. All right, Sam. Hit it.
This one doesn't work.
Great job.
This one doesn't work. Yeah, give me the other one. Are you going again, Billy?
You can want to do it.
Are you gonna go again though?
After.
Yeah, I feel like I want to go outside.
I know we do.
I think I gotta put this front foot forward first.
There we go. All right, there we go, Sam. Put that weight on your back foot if you can. Isn't that pretty fun? Those sleds are honestly, those are my favorite sleds.
They're good.
Because the thing is, they're way wider.
I think he did hang loose.
I'll be honest, I almost broke my arm. You going, Philly? Sure.
2-1-0.
Say about that.
Trying her best.
Oh,
This one is cute.
got borderline
Mommy,
frostbite.
Billy likes your sheep.
I like the sheep.
Oh, those are nice.
And the pig. Look at this cute pig. My mom just got the sheep. So cute.
Was there really a pig at the nativity?
Well, there would have been all the animals.
Probably.
There's even a cute dog.
Well, I don't know. They're Jews.
Like pigs. That's why my mom's right.
No, that's really funny.
I put this on the nativity when I was like I asked my mom when I was like 4 or 5 if I could put it up there. And my mom has put it up there every year since.
That's pretty funny.
I hope our chickens are alive.
I'm sure they are.
Hey Agnes, did you put water back in the chicken coop?
We did, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I did.
Perfect.
Were they all alive?
I didn't see any chickens. Oh, I heard.
All the chickens disappeared in the cold.
Did anybody put the bowls out in the snow to catch the snow? Should we make some ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh.
No ice cream. I put bowls there. Yeah.
After a long day of time on the snow and broken bones and bruises. In the morning?
Are you just documenting this?
It's for YouTube.
How about we go to 7:15 mass and then go to the golf course?
No, really.
How about 5:40 mass? Yeah.
I don't think I'll be able to drive there.
I don't have to post it. I don't have to post it.
I don't care.
Oh, okay.
You just upload them to YouTube
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, we get lots
and get one like.
Well, like 2 or 3, but Father Scott likes them,
But
so.
it's kind of fun because then you can look back at it and
That-
it's like
yeah.
stored somewhere else, so you don't have to worry about it.
Exactly. That's why. Anyways. Another like? Yeah, you're. Oh, a light. I thought you said a like. I was like, sure, you're welcome to look at the videos. They're not very good. It's just like. They do look like creepy twins.
I gave Sam a bunny suit
Creepy
from the
twins
Christmas
over
story.
here.
This is so cozy. I wore it skiing in Colorado and then I
I gave him we don't have matching. Oh, shoes. That's because they're his shoes.
Why do you have 2 of the same pair of shoes?
Well, technically,
All my shoes are the same.
one's my dad's, one's mine.
Well, which one's your dad's? I don't want to wear your dad's shoes.
These are my dad's.
Sebby's are probably wearing my dad's because they're a lot newer, less worn.
And they're tighter.
You know Nike shoes are made by slave labor? How does that make you feel?
Sam, I read a whole book about how Nike started. It's called.
They need to get a hold of their slaves because the quality isn't very great.
Huh?
The quality isn't very great, so they better get some better slaves.
What's going on the video?
All right.
Sam, did you document
I've got-
any of your sledding? We have so many besides for documenting.
No, I did some.
I'll have to see these. I want.
Get a load of this.
Take one and then hold it straight out.
It's just completely frozen.
That's hilarious.
Oh my gracious. That's funny. Appreciate that, Sebastian. That's funny, man. Don't wanna Dude, it's actually really kind of heavenly, bro.
That's what I'm talking about.
Kind of heavenly. This is day 2 of going to mass in the snow. Today's not so bad. I have warmer clothes. Sebastian gave me warmer clothes. He said, you Texans are insane. So, warmer clothes, and it's actually not currently snowing. So I can actually see where I'm going. So, headed to mass. Pick up Margot and Agnes first, so we gotta stop by their house. And then get on down to La Capilla. Alright, hasta luego.
Marco, listen, I'm not falling in this.
How do y'all feel?
You should see my legs.
My body hurts.
Dude, they're black.
Really?
Yeah.
From bruises?
Yeah.
Nice. What about you, Agnes?
I wasn't out there as long.
Yeah.
It looks like someone
My
took a
feet froze
bat
too
to my
fast.
legs.
It's our own fault. Oops. How do I zoom out? Nope, there we go. Wait, that's a
Alright. Back to the trenches.
back in
It's
trenches.
so bright, you almost can't see.
I know. I should have gotten like snow glasses or something.
Those
Alrighty.
face glasses that I was gonna order you would have been perfect for this.
Oh, they really would have been. There she is.
I feel like I'm gonna flip down her.
I know, it's kind of slippery here. We could just walk in the grass too.
I don't want to get these boots ruined.
Wait.
By the way, happy Feast of the Epiphany. Whoa, I almost slipped there. Perfect timing. It's okay, you don't have to tell me happy feast, it's okay.
I feel like I need some sunglasses, what?
Dang, I want to land it, dude.
Next time. That's one way to hit the bump. Almost did the splits.
Almost landed it, bro.
Wipe out. You gotta lean back. Nice.
Holy man. We're back in the cab. Whoa, back in the saddle.
Guess how many people are in this car?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people. 1 truck. Dang, I can't zoom in on his face.
Zoom in.
What is that? That's just a goofy video. Vlog.